Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to make Chromebook screen stay awake. The first thing you want to do is go down to the bottom right hand corner and you want to tap right in the section where you see the time. From here you're going to select the settings cog right here. After selecting the settings cog, you're going to go over to the left hand menu section and you're going to select device. Once you have selected device, you're going to tap on power. After selecting power, right where you see when idle while charging, you're going to tap on sleep and you're going to tap on keep display on. Then while on battery, you're going to tap on sleep again and you're going to select keep display on. And right where you see sleep when cover is closed, you're going to toggle that off. And that's it. That's how to keep your Chromebook screens awake while